Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk about the Deloitte NLA slot booking process. So many of the students got the shortlisted mail, means congratulation mail for the further round. So this is a type of mail. There they got the mail. Okay, so your candidate ID will be given, and there they have clearly mentioned to book your preferred test slot. Please use the following link. So you have to use the link, and beside that they have also provided the system requirement. All things you should go थ्रो कंप्लीट डिटेल एंड मस्ट डू द कंपेटिबिलिटी चेक. ओके, अदरवाइज भाई आपको एग्जाम में दिक्कत होगा. सो फॉर सिलेक्टिंग द असेसमेंट स्लॉट जस्ट क्लिक हेयर द मेल, then after that a new window will appear, and there first of all you have to verify using the captcha. Okay, so there you can see please complete the security verification and then click next. So as soon as you will click the security verification, then a new window will appear, and there you have to basically choose the slot. Now remember friends, you have to choose the slot according to the date. So they have clearly given the slot as this is the slot as 3rd Feb and timing is 4:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Besides that, if you want, you can also increase the date. So 3rd and 4th February this candidate are eligible for the slot. So depending on the vacancy of the slot only you have to choose the slot. So आप देख सकते हैं when do you want to take the assessment. 3rd Feb that is 4:30 p.m. और 7:30 p.m. और 4 Feb दैट इज़ 4:30 और 7:30. सो करंटली अभी यही टाइम है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कन्वीनियंस यू हैव टू बेसिकली चूज द स्लॉट. ओके, सो आई एम चूजिंग द slot as 4:30 p.m. and when you will choose, then you have to just click here save. Make sure that you should save this, otherwise it will not be saved for further. Okay, so पहले से अच्छे से सेव कर लेंगे. then यहाँ पर आएगा slot selection successful, means you have been successfully selected the slot and you can now close the window. Now friends, one thing I want to tell you that whenever you are giving the test, make sure that all things are good and you should give test in clear and noise free environment. Beside that आप लोग सिस्टम चेक जरूर कर लीजिएगा. एंड आई विल सजेस्ट मस्ट अपडेट योर क्रोम और एज जहाँ से आप दे रहे हैं. ओके, एंड गो थ्रू आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो, और आई विल ऑल्सो पिन द वीडियो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. देयर आपको भाई ज़रूर आप देख के जाइएगा. ओके, वहाँ से आपको आइडिया मिलेगा कि किस तरह के कोडिंग क्वेश्चन आता है, टेक्निकल MCQ एंड एप्टीट्यूड वगैरह रहेगा. सो उसके रिलेटेड मैं कंप्लीट डिटेल आपको बताऊंगा. सो दिस इज़ द कंप्लीट स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस टू बुक द स्लॉट. एंड योर फ्रेंड, मैं अगेन बोलना चाहता हूँ, दो स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गॉट द सक्सेसफुल मेल फॉर द टेस्ट, congratulations to all of them. If you haven't got, then don't be in a panic position. Okay, there will be more hiring for 2026 pass out batch, such as the Cognizant, TCS NQT of campus, and Accenture, Wipro, and lots of company gonna hire. So prepare for that test. अगर नहीं हुआ तो because they have selected the resume by considering lots of criteria such as your tech stack and resume format and all things. So hope informative to you. कोई भी query है feel free to ask or comment here, and all the best for the further test. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.